The Volkswagen Arteon R shooting brake is a fast and exclusive estate car. It's a shame the cabin quality doesn't live up to its image, but in typical VW R mode, the Arteon's hottest driving dynamics mean it feels incredibly safe and incredibly fast. It supports with a lot of practicality as well as many standard kits. It may not be the most attractive machine in its class, but there are situations where it will feel beyond its depth as long as the adjustable suspension settings are soft to maximize comfort. Volkswagen's R department is in progress. It revealed the new Golf R Estate recently as a practical, powerful and pragmatic alternative to its Tiguan R SUV. VW's common 2.0-liter 316 bhp turbocharged 4-cylinder engine mated to a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox and 4-motion 4-wheel drive, delivers outstanding performance. The 0 to 62 miles per hour sprint takes just 4.9 seconds, while in the Arteon shooting brake body style there's 590 liters of boot space on offer, not as much as the new Golf R Estate, but you'll have to wait until the end of the year for that model. While the Arteon's sleek styling is complete with modifying R means giving the bill. The engine is flexible, with 420 Nm of torque, which means it is easy to go fast without much effort. The gearbox shifts with smooth edges, the slurring changes smoothly, but increases the R mode and takes control manually. The shifting is sharper and faster. The engine also has a more sporty character. There's a significant forgery through the cabin speakers, which you might prefer to turn off, but the R mode delivers higher throttle response above all else. The increasingly powerful mid-range feels just as powerful, but the engine still pulls hard into its red lines, obviously improving to add to the fun. It's very fast and efficient in ground shipping, no matter if it's flowing or tortuous. But there is one caveat. Dynamic chassis controls adaptive dampers feel better at the softer end of the scale, as on the 19-inch R wheels, a bouncy ride in tighter settings. At least firm body control, contributing to inspiring self-confidence. Cue the powertrain to the R and the suspension goes soft in the individual setting and there's a beautiful mix. Inside, the balance of comfort and convenience continues, with a supportive pair of R-branded seats and plenty of room at the back despite the Arteon's low roofline. A digital dashboard is included, but the graphics can be a bit more than that of competitors from Audi and BMW, and while the main touchscreen is just as bright and slightly snappy, responding to input quickly, the touch climate control panel is just a little intuitive to use when communicating. However, there are no complaints from the standard fit kit of the R tier as the flagship of the Arteon. At £52,585, you should go for it, because the Arteon R shooting brake isn't cheap, but offers up to 31 mpg and 209 grams per kilometer CO2, even relatively efficient considering the performance on offer, so it delivers in many areas, even if not quite the height of the BMW M340i Touring, which offers a more powerful and more character 6-cylinder engine and a higher quality cabin for £185 less. Alongside the sporty additions, silver door mirrors, large wheels, a finely inflated body kit and a quad-exit exhaust, the R has faux carbon fiber trim inside, electric Nappa leather heated seats with massage function, rear view camera and safety technology, such as blind spot warning.